Don't you wish you could just lay in bed and turn the ceiling fan on and off? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Hisummer 52-inch ceiling fan with LED light and remote. That's right, this thing is modern. It's got a remote, it's got an LED light, and it's 52 inches. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at this Hisummer ceiling fan right here. It's 52 inches, it's got an LED light and a remote. Well, let's open it up. Everything you need is in the box. So this is part of the covering system right here. I believe this is what will partially cover part of the mechanics that mount to the ceiling. The LED light itself right here, this thing is going to be awesome. You see? Wow, look at that. Very, very cool. Tons of screws and bolts right here. Everything you need to put the blades on, mount it into the ceiling, all the stuff you need for your ceiling fan. Part of the extension system right here, so this is essentially what will cap open the ceiling and then attach everything to it. So everything you need right there as well. Look at this, a nice user manual right here. This thing is thick. Now, don't get me wrong, this is easy to install and probably takes about 30 minutes or less, but the manual is here and it is in multiple different languages, so nothing to fear. And honestly, it looks like it's, I don't know, maybe 7 steps? Yeah, look at there, 8 steps to finish this thing. So, should be quick. And don't worry, the styrofoam is in there, so everything is nice and protected. Another extension for the down rod, so if you want it to hang lower, you can. So you do have options there as well to extend the length of it coming out of the ceiling. The attachments for the blades, they're here. And this thing looks great. Look at that reflection right there. It is like a stainless steel. It looks super nice and clean. This is our cap right here for the ceiling, so this kind of hugs up to hide a lot of the mechanical stuff. And as I showed this earlier, this essentially slides down through there so that you kind of have this ball and joint kind of method there, so there's a little bit of swing if you need it, and it just keeps it from being too volatile. The manual for the controller right here is included, and it looks like we have this special connector right here, which I believe is what the remote is controlling, and this tells things to turn on and off. So very, very cool. This is what that looks like, so that you understand. Shows us our diagram right here to get everything going. So essentially the remote is connecting to this and communicating with this to turn off the lights in the fan. The remote right here, and this thing looks nice. Look at that. Buttons have plenty of click to them. Listen. Ooh. Got all off, on and off. We got forward or reverse. Different flows right here. Different of the lighting ability. And the fan. Very, very nice. The blades right here. And this is very, very cool. So on one side, it's like a silver, kind of like the brushed metal look. And on the other side, there's a wooden look right here. See this? Nice. Very, very cool. It gives you two-sided blades, so pick whatever aesthetic is perfect for you. And finally, the housing system right here. This is essentially what you are installing into the ceiling right here. So very nice. This thing is fancy looking. Look at that. It's a little stainless steel look right here, but yes, you will connect everything to this. Ultimately, this is where your blades and everything will come out of. What makes it work is this thing. And that is everything that is included in the box. So, Hisummer, great job. Let's go ahead and install this thing and try it out. Let's go. This is the Hisummer 52-inch modern ceiling fan with LED light and remote. Elegant dual-tone blades. This 52-inch ceiling fan features a sleek double-blade design with one side showcasing a modern silver tone and the other side displaying the warm, natural beauty of walnut wood, allowing you to seamlessly blend modern and traditional styles. Quiet and efficient DC motor. Equipped with a precision copper winding DC motor and high-quality ball bearings, this fan circulates air virtually silently, making it ideal for spaces with elderly individuals, children, or pets. Its efficient operation also contributes to lower energy costs. Versatile lighting and airflow control. The included 18-watt LED light offers 3 color temperature options: warm, natural, and cool, while the remote control allows you to adjust 6 wind speed settings, simulate natural wind patterns, and reverse the airflow direction for year-round comfort and easy installation and adjustability. It's designed with customer convenience in mind, so this ceiling fan comes with adjustable rods to accommodate various ceiling heights, a detailed installation manual, and video tutorials simplifying the installation process. That's right, now you get to relax, kick back, lay in bed all you want, and turn that ceiling fan on and off and adjust the light settings. Wow! Relaxation has never been easier. Great job, Hisummer.
This thing is modern, advanced. It's technology.
We want to give a huge shout out to Hisummer for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below.
Don't forget, you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye.